It's Crystal. Welcome to this channel. This is our first video here. I hope you enjoy it. I'm probably going to be posting more here, so please click that subscribe button. I don't know which side it's on. But today we're going to season kickoff at Outlaws. We're going to do a get ready with me. We're going to do my makeup and it's supposed to be my hair, but I just realized that I didn't do my hair. So we're going to do a showcase because the seasons are different to America and Australia. So that's going to be a little weird for y'all down in Texas, but I hope you enjoy it. Let's get down to the Outlaws hideout and see how this goes. Okay, so I'm blind. I have to get up and put on my contacts. This is the worst part of the day because A, it's environmentally not okay. The turtles hate me for this, but did you know that every contact lens you use, you can take it to Specsavers and they like recycle it for you? Did you know that? Yeah. Pretty sick. Turtles, dude, turtles. Today we are beginning with my contact routine. I am taking -1.5 and putting it into my right eye because I have different prescriptions, or so I thought. Okay, round 2, we're doing that again. Yeah, so my left eye is -2. It's different, she's quirky, she is special. And there she goes. I'm going in. Successful, we can see. Operation at the go. Here's my outfit of the day. Today we have to wear the black Outlaws Club tee and our black Nike Pros and the black crop top and the yellow competition bow. I know, what a spice of color. Here she is being displayed on the bed, looking aesthetic as hell. Very beautiful, up on that live body, looking amazing. Oh, what the heck? I'm trying to show you what it looks like on me, doing an amazing job as you can see. Oh, she hit! Here I am sizing up my hospital bracelet from the day before as I was profoundly dying, but it is now Saturday and I still have to perform. Love that. Here is my makeup mirror from Amiro. It lights up. You can make it lighter and darker. It's got different settings. I don't know what else you would like a mirror to do for you. Here I am trying to show you what it looks like. I can now understand that you can't see much, but Paz Crystal thought that she was doing an amazing job. First, we are taking the Vaseline to moisturize our lips. I don't know if you guys want this to be informative or not, because to be honest, I have no idea what I'm saying. We're doing our eyebrows. Pick the darker shade so that we can get into a sister scandal later on. Comb your eyebrows, like one of our iconic ancestors once said, to be #on fleek da fuck way. This is when I start regretting putting my contacts in early because then they dry up and my eyes get twitchy and it's hard to do makeup. You can't hear what I'm saying. Now we are filling in the eyebrows. Enjoy this time lapse, which is satisfying as hell. And remember what I said about that #sister scandal? Yeah, well, it is coming in 3, 2, 1. Oh no, my eyebrows are black. Sick, dude. It actually looks really bad. Oh, we recovered, and I oot. Now we're gonna conceal our eyebrows because Instagram tells us to. And the comeback is looking very strong. This should just be a story to all of you that no matter how big the setback is, the get back is even better. And oh, that was really crusty musty. Please keep it as far away from the camera as possible. We are gonna prime our face so we don't have to do baking powder or setting spray on. Did you see that dotting technique? That is exactly what you will want to do. Please write that down. I realized that I just said baking powder. I didn't mean baking powder. I meant that baking powder thing you use in makeup. Like, not baking powder, but makeup baking powder. Now we are concealing our under eyes. Still looking bad. Keep it away from the camera. Jeez, you never learn. We are beating our face and taking our foundation. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I found it really good in cheerleading because I don't sweat it off as much as normal foundation. I am beating the rest into my face, taking this brush, taking this palette, taking that palette, touching that, and putting it on my eyelid. Woo! That was a mouthful. I really have to give it to you, vloggers. I do not understand how you do this voice recording thing. Like Eminem, never heard of him. Nicki Minaj, who is she? These lips, they are on fire. Do you feel me? They are burning. You can sense it through the screen. Did you see that giant ass eyelash? Where'd it... Oh my god. Dude, this thing is massive. Hello? Concealer! We are taking the MAC and same brush, and I'm just gonna, oh, whoa, hold up, I skipped that step. Okay, we just cut the crease, and I took a darker shade, and I'm putting it in my crease, and I'm putting glitter on my eyes, and looking amazing. Holy John Cena just pulled off the stunt of the century, and stop zooming, it looks bad on you. Get the curler, you're gonna curl your eyelashes as calmly as you'd like. Winky face, we're gonna do our mascara, and look at that transition. Whoa, well, we really got professional, didn't we?
I need a contour first.
Never mind, I quickly take back my words. Still looking cute though, so I'll let it slide. We're gonna take our highlighter and literally highlight it everywhere. We wanna be blinding from miles away, and that is our last step. Bye. My battery died, but I just did my lipstick. So I used this Winky Lux Red Velvet. It's a lipstick that doesn't come off at all. Like, I had my lunch right afterwards, and this is still what it looks like. It's like you don't want it to stain your uniform or anything. This is the finished look. And now I gotta leave. I love this thing. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for.